First things first, you'll want to pack clothing suitable for a tropical climate. Considering the warm tropical weather of St. Thomas, it's crucial to pack clothes that will keep you comfortable throughout your stay. Consider packing fabrics that are light and airy, such as cotton and linen. These materials are perfect for the humidity, allowing your skin to breathe and preventing overheating. Moreover, you will find them highly convenient as they dry quickly after a swim or sudden downpour. The island of St. Thomas isn't just known for its sunny tropical weather, but also for its vibrant nightlife and upscale dining options. Therefore, ensure to have a good mix of both casual and formal wear in your suitcase. Elegantly casual dresses for ladies and smart casual attire for men are ideal for evenings. A couple of swimsuits are indispensable due to the irresistible allure of the island's pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and myriad water activities that you wouldn't want to miss. Despite the tropical climate, oh my, please don't fall, the evenings can surprisingly turn a bit nippy or cold. If you are going to be in an air-conditioned environment, it's advisable to include in your packing a light jacket or a sweater that you can easily throw on during such instances. Remember, the key is to be prepared for all scenarios. Also, don't forget a light jacket or sweater for cooler evenings or air-conditioned environments. Next up, sun protection. The Virgin Islands, a beautiful tropical paradise nestled in the azure Caribbean Sea, are located position of the globe that brings them in close proximity to the equator. This geographical positioning means that the intensity of the sun can be quite stunning, often more so than visitors might be accustomed to. This tropical climate, characterized by abundant sunshine and warm temperatures, is a defining feature of the islands, but it also necessitates the need for proactive sun protection. In this scenario, one of the most essential items to have at your disposal is a broad-spectrum sunscreen. When choosing a sunscreen, aim for a product that offers SPF of at least 30. This SPF rating ensures that you'll have sufficient protection from both UVA and UVB rays, thereby reducing your risk of sunburn and skin damage. A sunscreen with SPF 30 blocks approximately 97% of UVB rays, providing an effective shield against the intense Caribbean sun. In addition to sunscreen, consider packing sun-safe accessories for your trip. A sturdy sun hat is a must, providing shade for your face and neck. Sunglasses are another key item, ideally the ones with UV protection to shield your eyes from harmful rays. Lastly, a loose cover-up or rash guard should be included in your beach bag. These items provide added protection while you're engaging in water activities, swimming in the crystal-clear ocean, or simply lounging on the beach, soaking up the picturesque views. Pack a sun hat, sunglasses, and a cover-up or rash guard for added protection while swimming or lounging on the beach. Now let's talk about travel documents. A passport with your personal information and nationality is the most crucial document you should have on hand. It is essential not just for identification, but also for verifying your citizenship. This small booklet, your journey's memories in the form of stamps from different countries, making it a cherished keepsake. However, imagine getting into a situation where you lose your passport or it gets stolen. In such predicaments, having a backup can be a lifesaver. Thus, it's highly advisable to consider creating and carrying photocopies of your passport's information page. These photocopies should include your picture, name, birth date, passport number, and the issuing and expiration dates. Having photocopies isn't just for backup. Sometimes certain places like hotels or car rental services may ask for your identification. To avoid handing over your original passport, you can give them a photocopy instead. This way you ensure the safety of your original documents. But what if the photocopies get lost or damaged? In this digital age, we have the advantage of keeping digital copies. It's a smart idea to make digital copies of your passport, other important documents, and store them in a safe, secure location online. You could use cloud storage services or even your personal email. Digital copies are easy to access, print, and share, thus ensuring that the crucial information is always within reach. So, when you pack for your next journey, remember to include these backups along with your original passport. It's a minor task, but it could make a significant difference in an emergency. It's a smart idea to have digital copies stored in a secure location online too. Health and safety items are another essential category to consider when planning for your trip. It's of utmost importance to ensure you are prepared for any situation that might arise on your journey. Begin by packing a basic first aid kit. This kit can include basic medical supplies such as Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, and a thermometer. It's a reasonable step towards your safety. In addition to the first aid kit, remember to pack any prescription medications you may require. These could vary from asthma inhalers, heart medication, insulin for diabetics, or any other routine medicine you may be on. It's crucial to have an adequate of these medicines to avoid any potential health complications while you are away from home. Another important element to consider is travel insurance. It provides an extra layer of protection in case of any unforeseen medical emergencies. Travel insurance can cover a wide range of scenarios, from minor incidents such as a twisted ankle to severe health crises that may need immediate hospitalization. Moreover, if you're traveling to a tropical environment, packing a mosquito repellent is a wise step. Tropical climates are known for their mosquito populations, and these little bugs can carry diseases, making repellents essential. Also, keep in mind to include anti-diarrhea medication. Changes in water and food can sometimes lead to upset stomachs, and these medications can provide quick relief. Additionally, mosquito repellent and anti-diarrhea medication can be handy given the tropical environment. Keeping your valuables safe is another aspect of packing that shouldn't be overlooked. In today's world of increased mobility and global travel, it has become more crucial than ever to keep a close eye on your prized possessions, especially when in transit. And the first step of that begins right at your very home when you are preparing for your journey. A common and strategic way to go about this is by using a money belt or a neck wallet. Both these unique accessories are designed with the modern traveler in mind. A money belt, as the suggests, is a belt but with a concealed pouch where you can store your cash. It's discreet and offers a great deal of convenience. Then we have the neck wallet, another excellent option to consider. A neck wallet is simply a wallet that you can wear around your neck. It's convenient, easy to access, and offers a safe space for your cash and cards. However, the safety of your valuables does not only rest on physical items like cash and credit cards. Your passport as well is a critical component that demands exceptional security. It serves as your identity, and losing it can lead to severe complications. Another great safety measure is using TSA-approved locks on your luggage. These locks have been tested and approved by the Transport Security Administration, ensuring they meet the highest safety standards. Opting for these locks offer you that added layer of protection and peace of mind. In conclusion, safeguarding your personal belongings while traveling should be a priority and not an afterthought. It's also a good idea to use TSA-approved locks on your luggage for added security. With these tips and tools, you can enjoy your travel with an eased mind, knowing that your valuables are safe and secure. Lastly, be aware of the local customs and regulations. St. Thomas, an enchanting island situated in the Caribbean Sea, is officially a U.S. territory. This distinction allows it the benefit of being under the security and governance of U.S. laws, making it a secure destination for American travelers. There is a comforting certainty, a reassurance that the law of the land is not vastly different from home, and that can be quite a relief for most visitors. However, every place on Earth, regardless of its political affiliations, is unique. It has its own culture, traditions, mindsets, and ways of life. The beauty of travel lies in embracing these differences, in exploring the unknown, and experiencing a different way of life. This is what makes every journey memorable and enriches us as global citizens. St. Thomas, while governed by U.S. laws, is no different. It has its own unique pulse. The local customs, traditions, and etiquette have been shaped by centuries of history and a melange of cultures. Hence, it's not just good manners, but also a way to deeply engage with the local community and truly experience the island, to familiarize yourself with these local customs. Therefore, before setting foot on the mesmerizing beaches, or exploring the vibrant local markets, or appreciating the stunning colonial architecture, take some time to learn about these customs. Be sensitive to the local ethos, mindful of your behavior, and respectful of the cultural nuances. This not only helps to avoid any misunderstandings or unintended disrespect, but also makes your experience much more authentic and enriching. It's always wise to familiarize yourself with local customs to respect the culture and avoid any misunderstandings. In summary, the key points to remember when packing for your journey to the heavenly St. Thomas: Virgin Islands are: ensure you pack appropriate attire suitable for a lush tropical climate. Remember, lightweight, breathable fabrics will keep you comfortable while exploring the island's magnificent landscapes. Always prioritize sun protection. UV rays can be intense in this part of the world. Pack a high SPF sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, and UV protective sunglasses to shield your skin and eyes. Don't forget the importance of keeping your documents, passport, tickets, travel insurance, and emergency contacts secure and readily accessible. Losing these can cause unnecessary stress. It's also crucial to bring fundamental health and safety items, including an aid kit, essential medications, insect repellent, and hydration supplements. These preventive measures will help ensure you're during your trip. Take measures to safeguard your valuables. Consider using luggage locks and a money belt to protect your belongings, and remember, it's best to leave expensive jewelry at home. Lastly, take the time to familiarize yourself with local customs and regulations. Respecting local traditions and laws will enhance your cultural experience and keep you out of potential trouble. With these detailed tips in mind, you will not simply be prepared, but extremely well equipped for a fantastic, worry-free vacation in the breathtaking St. Thomas Virgin Islands. This paradise is waiting for you. Safe travels, and don't forget to subscribe to Safe Travels for our next video for things to enjoy in St. Thomas Virgin Islands.